Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. This is CryptoArk, and today we're gonna talk about part 2 on Fibonacci, right? I hope this explanation is not too boring. I hope it's clear enough to understand what is going behind Fibonacci. So on the first video, if you miss it, just please go back. We explained how Fibonacci works. What is Fibonacci in fact? What are the Fibonacci sequence? Why is it important to the nature, and why does it work or seems to work on charts, right? Just because we are humans, and humans is drove by nature, right? They are driven by nature. And after all, at some point, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, let's talk about a second special characteristic or special skill feature on the Fibonacci. As I explained before, I have more levels than just the usual golden pocket, right? I have all the way to utilize 32. And what do I do here? It's all the multiples or all the terminations with 618 and the even numbers, right? So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, all the way to 32. Why do I do that? Again, I'm using reverse, so that's why my numbers are positive. But I still have in the same chart some negative numbers. I'm going to explain as well why I want to have a look at that. Basically, the idea is when I'm drawing my Fibonacci tool, right? Let's draw it correctly here. When I draw in my Fibonacci tool from the low to the top, I'm looking for the golden pocket. If the golden pocket fails, if the price keeps going down and breaks the previous low, what I expect, this level right now, and then this level, right? So those are kind of fallbacks or reversals. Oh, things didn't work here, so maybe price is gonna come back here, right? Again, it's just because it's a golden ratio. That is nothing too crazy, it's just golden ratio. Someone was looking for short, and someone, leave that there. Someone looking for shorts that draw the Fibonacci in the opposite way, right? They would end up with similar levels, right? Exactly the same levels, to be honest. So they are probably taking profits in that part. So that's why I'm looking always to the fallback option, right? So I have that negative numbers here, although I work with the positive ones. Cool? That's the explanation about why I have negative. Now let's talk about price prediction. It's a very cool feature on Fibonacci as well, right? What are you looking for? When you have your tool set up like this with numbers, multiple of 2, going all the way to 0.618, you go to a very high time frame, like weekly, right? And what you look back is for a breakout and retest, right? Breakout and retest, right? Let's look for that. This guy found resistance, fall off, and then came back up, right? But this is not a breakout yet or retest. You could consider this a kind of a breakout and retest, kind of. But for me, it's more like this one. This one is the perfect breakout and retest, right? We broke it, we failed, and then it became resistant. It was resistance at some point in time back there. And now, before the bull run started, we actually broke it. And then we retested perfectly, right? So this is definitely a level that we are looking for. So what do, you mark that. Let me mark with this tool, right? I'm gonna utilize this level right here. Perfect. Now you go to smaller time frames like daily compared to that one, of course, right? This is the area. So this is the area that I'm gonna work on. Cool. Let me clean that up. So no indicators here. It's just pure price action, right? Once you have that break, what are you looking for inside that area? Now is the swing low to the swing high, right? Before, of course, going parabolic. So this is what you're looking for. Inside that range, of the retest, the breakout and retest, you go for the swing low to the next swing high. Of course, you're going to find out this is the perfect Fibonacci. That's going to happen for sure. But now what you're looking for is the price prediction. Cool? Let's now zoom out and let's see how levels reacted. Look at this. It is insanely crazy or insanely precise. The first level of resistance was exactly one of those Fibonacci levels. The next, if we break it, we go to the next one, retrace to where? To the previous one. And then you keep playing this game. You see, breakout, retest, go to the next one, breakout, retest immediately to where? To one of those levels. And then you keep playing this game. It's insane how this works, but it is a way to predict the price in the future, right? You keep going to those levels and coming back. Like, I cannot stress enough how much precise is that. The swing low is one of those levels. So that's how you can predict future prices, and you can use that anywhere, right? Could be Bitcoin, could be, Google stock, could be Apple stock, could be anything. You can always do the same. So Google, how do we predict this super run of Google, right? Same thing. We just find out on the weekly a breakout and retest. So here, not here, here we go. This was resistance, breakout, retest. Well, there's a 2 retest, but that's going to work anyways. So we mark that part, right? This is what we're looking for. You go to the daily, come back here, clean the chart a little bit. On this spot right here, this is what we're going to work. On this guy, you find the swing low to the swing high into that range, and now you zoom out. And how crazy is this prediction, right? It keeps going up and down into those levels. Like here, hit, boom, down, next level. Hit here, resistance, fought with that level, goes up, boom, next to the level again, goes up to the level, goes up to the level. It's like magnet, right? Why does it work? Again, it's not magic. It's a little bit of self-fulfilling prophecy with the laws of nature, of course. So that's it, guys. This is Fibonacci. This is how I use Fibonacci, and this is a good way to kind of add a new confluence to the charts, right? So you have some indicators plus Fibonacci, then you have confidence, right? That's how we do better trades. All right, guys, you know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, share, show some love, right? See you on the next one. Bye.